Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Now we start with cricket, as the Jamaica Cricket Association could have a clearer picture of the timeline for the upgrading of the lights at Sabina Park in a week's time. This, as it's understood, negotiations between the national body and the government have been progressing well. The lighting levels at Sabina Park have been a talking point for several years, which has seen the venue overlooked for international cricket night games. However, with Jamaica in line to host 2 evening T20 games against Australia this summer and talks of the return of a Caribbean Premier League franchise advanced, the need for an upgrade in lighting is greater now than before. This was JCA's first Vice President, Fritz Harris, when we spoke with him following the conclusion of the Dream 11 Jamaica T10 League on January 25.
There's no doubt that for international cricket and television, etc., the lux levels needs increasing. And matter of fact, I might say it's woefully low. And the JCA is currently in intense discussion with the government of Jamaica, who I may say is very supportive. We have a supportive minister and a supportive government who is trying to help us to get to that level. So I do expect that before another 2 weeks, the president will be able to make an announcement with the GOJ to say that the required bulbs will be installed to bring the lighting levels up to the required standards.
But the upgrade is not as easy as changing some bulbs. And if it is definitely not in the cost range of your everyday electrician. TVJ Sports understands that the cost to upgrade the lights to reach international cricket standards could cost between 70 and 75 million Jamaican dollars. It's understood that taking into consideration the acquisition, shipping and installment of the bulbs, the JCA must find a bit over $30 million by the middle of this month. But there is light for the JCA. And as TVJ Sports understands, it could be a green light, as the government is open to footing the bill for the upgrade. What is even better news for local cricket is that the cost for the upgrade will not be taken from the previously announced allocation of $100 million over 3 years by the government for the development of the sport. TVJ Sports has been reliably informed that the JCA has submitted all documents to the government and is now awaiting a response from Minister of Sports Olivia Grange, which could come within days. When JCA President Dr. Donovan Bennett was contacted on Tuesday, he could only confirm the submission of documents while indicating that an update will soon be provided by the Ministry of Sports.